So this might be a little hard to hear because it's windy out, but Kohl is moving into his house today, which is very exciting. So we thought we would film an empty house tour. This is the outside of the house. Walking up the front. I don't know where he went. This is the front foyer area. And this is the view of the front door. And there's a little hall closet there. And then this spot we were thinking of putting a hall tree, which will be very nice. When you walk down this hallway, there's all of this, which don't pay attention to. This is where the washer and dryer will go. Probably replace that and put up some nice shelves. This is the kitchen. Kohl, where'd you go? The garage. Bunch of cool stuff. I thought you were gonna scare me. That's why I was looking for you. Okay. So now that I've confirmed he will not jump out and scare me, well, let's continue on. This is the bathroom, the master bath. 2 sinks, nice countertops. And the bathroom. Still need to get, obviously, everything, shower curtain and all that. This is a really nice little light up at the top. Brings in a lot of natural light. And here's me. So we were thinking of putting up shiplap on this whole wall. And removing these, replacing them with a more rustic farmhouse type of light fixture. Obviously these are just the builder grade ones that come with the house. But yeah, we were thinking shiplap on this wall, and then when you turn around, shiplap on this wall as well, and then some of those big shelving, floating shelving units on that wall, which would be nice. And then this is the master bedroom. This is the walk-in closet. Kind of hard to tell how big it is, but it's really nice and spacious. And I'm sure we will be doing something for organizing that, not sure what. And this is the master. So it has 2 really nice windows and carpet. So picturing this, the king bed will go against that wall, nightstand, and then on this wall probably a dresser and a TV. And then this is a really nice view from the master looking out at this pond. So he got a really nice lot. Anyways, and then probably putting some sort of shelving or another dresser or bureau on that wall too. But I think that the light in here is super nice. There isn't even a light turned on and it's this bright, so very nice. Okay, now going down the other hallway. This is one of the bedrooms. So there's 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths. This will most likely be an office because it has this really nice front window. And you can even see down there they did some landscaping, which is really nice. It'll be interesting because of having the dog with the mud. We'll see how that goes. But it'll be really nice once the grass seed is in there. And then, so both of the rooms have big closets. This one just has, you know, your typical closet. And again, really nice lighting, very bright and sunny, which I love. And this is the other full bath. Really like the countertops. It's the same that's in the master. And then there's me. And yeah, pretty much probably will be doing the same thing. Replacing those light fixtures at some point. Maybe putting up some framing for this mirror in there. But yeah, that is the bathroom. This is the second bedroom on this side of the house. So this is the view from in here. They're doing a lot of building in this neighborhood, so it'll be interesting to see what it looks like when it's finished. But I just think this lot is so nice. It's really nice to back to the pond, and another house just makes it feel a little bit more private. And there's the other closet. I'm not sure what we're thinking in terms of paint, but I'm sure we'll be updating that at some point as well. It's kind of hard not to get overwhelmed with everything. You kind of just want to do it all at once, and you kind of have to space it out. Okay, so this is the family room. I know I kind of walked in here earlier, but I will show this more in detail. So this is the fireplace, and Kohl requested for, what is it, electrical socket to be up there so that we could plug the TV in. And yeah, this was an upgrade, I believe, but I'm really glad he ended up getting it. It's a wood burning fireplace, so that will be so nice in the winter. And again, that front area. So this is kind of the main wall in the living/dining room. We're thinking the couch will go along this wall, and then you can kind of tell there is an indent in this wall. So we were thinking of putting in built-in shelves along this wall, just to have some more storage and another place to put decorations and whatnot. So we'll do the shelves here, like a little love seat, and then a big couch along this wall. And then this I'm really excited for. This will be the little dining room area. So it's all very open. I love this big window and this window as well. It's kind of whitewashing everything, but okay, that's a little bit better. You can see now. But yeah, so we are working on refinishing. Well, we're not doing it. We're paying someone to refinish a table that we got on Facebook Marketplace. And it's going to look really nice. It'll be white with brown rustic farmhouse looking wood on top. I'm sure I'll get it in another video, but that will go right here, long ways. It seats 6, so it'll fit perfectly in front of that window. And then I'm hoping to maybe get a hutch of some sort, again on Facebook Marketplace, but we shall see. And then this is another look of the backyard. A little tree. And then this is the kitchen. Really nice sized kitchen. Love the window right there. Not sure what we're going to be doing here. I know for sure we're getting stainless steel appliances, which will be really nice. The fridge will go right there. And then the pantry. And then we were thinking of possibly putting in an island not building one, just getting one, and like a, I don't know what you call it, like from IKEA or something we were looking at, I don't know. Some sort of island will go there. I really do like the countertops. I don't think we'll be changing those anytime soon. Maybe painting the cabinets, but I actually don't mind the brown color. I kind of like it. I know the flooring, we were potentially looking into getting, I think it's called vinyl or laminate, because this is vinyl. I don't know, Kohl will probably correct me on that, but he's thinking of getting the laminate wood and putting it down right on top of here. So that will be another project. But yeah, this is kind of the view from the other corner. It'll be so nice once we're all moved in. I'm so happy for him. Let's see where he's at. All right, this is the garage. Kohl is moving some stuff. There's one little